Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll go over how to view process information in Linux using the PSAUX command. I'll show you how to list running processes, check their process IDs, see their states, memory usage, and even identify which command started a specific process. Let's get started.